everyone, I am Najlaa Shamoon. I would like to share my journey with you today. Since I was a child, I loved being in kitchen and baking. I was not given the opportunity to go to school for culinary arts until we came to United States. When we came to United States, not knowing English, that was a big problem to me. Then I chose to stay home and take care of my kids while my dream was in my heart. So I didn't give up. I worked really hard on myself to learn English. I learned from my kids' shows, and I volunteered at their schools. After I learned some English, I started watching videos on cake baking, and I started practicing at home. After that, I started baking for events for my kids and our friends and family. Seeing how happy they are with my work, it gave me the motivation to continue with my business. After a long time practicing at home, I finally started school for culinary arts to achieve my dream and become a pastry chef. Now I have my YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram page for people to watch my videos and learn how to bake. Thank you so much for listening to my speech.